Project Management Showdown, 2 industry favorites square off. Microsoft Planner versus ActiveCollab. Which one really delivers? On the left, Microsoft Planner, the streamlined organizer from tech giant Microsoft. And on the right, ActiveCollab, the flexible toolkit trusted by teams worldwide. We're putting them through the tasks that matter: collaboration, features, pricing, ease of use, integrations, and more. Let's skip the catchphrases and get straight into the facts. Each category earns its points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the win. The winner could surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the plan. First, we're diving into price, cause, budgets matter. Then we'll check out features and power, see what each platform can really do under the hood. After that, it's integrations. Like, can these tools actually play nice with the rest of your stack? Next up, usability and design, because who wants to use something that makes your eyeballs hurt? And finally, collaboration features, because at the end of the day, it's all about working together, right? So, let's start with price. Planner is basically free if you're on Microsoft 365, which is honestly such a win. No extra cost for small teams, no sneaky fees, though you can't really buy it on its own if you ever wanted just that. ActiveCollab, meanwhile, is affordable for a full project suite, but you do have to subscribe. And those powerful features, yeah, they're locked behind the pricier plan. If you're on a tight budget or already in the Microsoft world, Planner's the obvious pick here. Moving into features and power, this is where ActiveCollab flexes a bit. Planner keeps it really basic, just your boards, tasks, and some sweet Office 365 connections. But no Gantt charts, not much for reporting, it's a to-do list basically. ActiveCollab though, I'm talking legit project management, Gantt, dependencies, time tracking, invoicing, the works. It might be overkill if you just want to knock out a few team tasks, but wow, if you need actual project control, it's got the muscle. Integrations. This one's actually closer than you'd think. Planner is all in with Microsoft Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, you name it. But if you're outside that ecosystem, you might feel a little boxed in. ActiveCollab goes broader with stuff like Zapier, Slack, and plenty of third-party plugs, but plot twist, some of the coolest ones aren't free. Honestly, it's a tie. It totally depends where your team already lives. Hey, quick curveball. Did you know the first online project management tools actually popped up in the late 90s? Imagine running your projects on dial-up. Wild, right? Now for usability and design. Gotta say, Planner nails it on this one. The interface just feels like home if you've ever used Outlook or any Microsoft stuff. Super easy for anyone to pick up. But yeah, it can't really handle complex projects. ActiveCollab is jam-packed with features. Tons of ways to view projects and tasks, but with that comes a bit more chaos and a steeper learning curve. So, if you want simplicity and vibes, collaboration time. Planner does the basics, assign tasks, comment a bit, integrate with teams. But that's kinda it. No real chat rooms, no fancy client access. ActiveCollab, though, is all about those team huddles. Real-time discussions, bringing in clients, the whole collaborative spiel. Of course, some of the fancier stuff is locked behind subscription tiers, but still, hard to beat for collaboration. So when you stack up all the categories, price, features, integrations, design, and collaboration, you can really see how each tool carves out its own space. Planner totally owns the simplicity side, especially for Microsoft 365 users. ActiveCollab, though, just takes the lead for power features, real project tools, and team communication. Final thoughts. If your whole workflow is already in Microsoft and you just need to keep things on track, honestly, Planner is so chill and effortless. But if you're running bigger projects, need time tracking, or want those Gantt charts and power tools, ActiveCollab is going to make you feel like a project management boss. If you dug this no-nonsense side-by-side, hit that follow button and check out our other breakdowns. Catch you in the next